Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to publish an app on Base44 into a Google Play developer account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start in Base44, how to prepare your app for an Android release, and what to do if you need the paid features to generate store-ready files and submit your app to Google Play. Publishing an app is more than just creating the design and functionality. Before releasing it, you need to make sure your app is properly configured, your branding assets are ready, and your project meets the requirements needed for a smooth Google Play submission. First, open Base44 and sign in. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and select All Apps. This view gathers every app in your workspace, so you're not hunting through different screens. If you're working across multiple projects, this keeps you organized and helps you quickly manage different builds. At the top of the All Apps page, use the search bar to quickly locate the app you want to publish. Type a few characters of your app's name and confirm you're selecting the correct project. Taking a second here helps avoid working on the wrong build later. This is especially important if you have multiple versions of similar apps or are testing different projects at the same time. Click the app to open it. You'll land in the editor or preview area, where you can confirm the version you intend to release and make sure your recent changes are present. It's a good habit to verify the app's name, icon, and version before proceeding. These details are important because they represent your app publicly in the Google Play Store and should match your final release. Now, head to the top right and click Publish. This is where Base4 centralizes packaging and distribution options. You'll see publishing targets here, and it's important to choose the one that aligns with Android. Select Mobile App. This directs the workflow toward creating the files and settings required for an Android build suitable for Google Play. If your project also targets web or other platforms, Mobile App ensures you're focused on the right deliverables. Choosing the correct publishing option helps prevent creating the wrong package or preparing files for a different platform. Next, click Check Your App. This runs a set of validation, so you can catch issues early. Use this to confirm essentials, such as your app icon and splash assets, version and build numbers, package name, and any required permissions. These checks are important because Google Play reviews apps based on technical requirements, app information, and overall quality. Fixing problems before submission saves time and reduces the chance of delays or rejected uploads. If something is flagged, fix it now to prevent delays during store submission. Common issues can include missing assets, incorrect version information, incomplete settings, or permissions that need additional configuration. You'll notice that building store files and submitting the app are features tied to a paid plan. This is where Base44 can generate the artifacts you need, like your Android app bundle, and guide you through the submission flow to your Google Play developer account. The Android app bundle is the file format commonly used for publishing Android applications because it allows Google Play to optimize app delivery for different devices. If you're not yet on a paid plan, click Upgrade Your Plan. Once upgraded, return to the mobile app publishing area to build the store files and move forward with submission. Before submitting, make sure your Google Play developer account is ready, your app description and screenshots are prepared, and your branding elements are consistent across your store listing. That's it. You've navigated from locating your app in Base44 to initiating the mobile publishing flow, to enabling the features required to build store-ready files and submit to Google Play. Keep your assets and versioning consistent, review everything in Check Your App, and you'll have a smoother path to release. Following these steps carefully will help you move from a working Base44 project to a properly prepared Android application that is ready for distribution through the Google Play Store.